It really does seem that this one right here should be getting the Lifetime Achievement Award, or about 50,000 of them. And I have to tell you, it was always on my bucket list to get interviewed by her, and I finally had a chat with her not so long ago. And I will tell you, she is one of the finest journalists on the planet. And without her, 60 minutes would be 60 seconds. So thank you, everybody. I have a feeling everybody in this room would not be here if it wasn't for literacy. Because if we couldn't read or write, none of us would probably be doing what we're doing, or most of us anyway, what we do today. And why is this so important? Because we cannot live without stories. Stories, what we read, what we write, is how we understand the universe. It's not a chore. It's not a subject in school. It's a key to space travel, to knowing the universe, to unlocking yourself from situations that you can't escape from, perhaps even under your own roof, like when I was a kid. Writing and reading were my way of making the world a better place than the one I was in. And so I'm so happy that all of you are encouraging this and are supportive of it. And I want to thank you for honoring me tonight. And I also thank my agent, Esther Newberg, who's sitting. Where are you, Esther? She's the troublemaker in the mix. She's responsible for me, and I really feel sorry for her for that. But thank you, everybody. It's great to see you, and let's teach the world to read. Let's teach the world to know stories the way they should. Thank you.